Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use macros in Zendesk for ticket response. So guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go to go to the Zendesk official website, and when you do that you just need to go and log into your profile. Now when you do that, if you do not have one, of course you can go and register to Zendesk, but guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Zendesk videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here, as you can see, we have the Zendesk official website where you can see a lot of options. So you can get started first of all. You can go create your account, ticket system, agent productivity, messaging and live chat, reporting and analytics, and etc. etc. Also in the left sidebar, you have everything about your tickets. So you have your unsolved tickets, the unsigned tickets, you have the pending tickets, and all of those things. You can go, of course, click on one ticket, you can edit it, merge it, mark it as spam, delete it, or whatever you need to do. Also, we have the customers where you have all the information about your customers in one place. So you have their mails, their names, then you can go and, of course, change those things. You can add customers also if you want. You also have the organizations, and you have the reporting where you can go and see, create your Zendesk support, your guide, talk, and chat. Also, in the top right corner, you can go and change everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how to use macros and Zendesk for ticket response. So this is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So in a ticket, click apply. So you have to first go here and click for a ticket. So you need to click apply macro in the bottom toolbar. Then you just need to select a macro from the list. You can filter the list by typing the beginning of the macro's name which you want to use. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.